I got a call the other day from a mate who said he had some trees on his property that had been damaged by the storm that had just gone through. They were in danger of falling on his shed or across the main road. Who's going to get them cut down? Did I want to come out and get some photos? Sure, why not? The first thing to do is attach a guide rope to the top of the tree to ensure it falls in the correct direction, making sure you've got it connected to something solid on the other end. Next, cut a wedge into the front of the tree in the direction you want the tree to fall. After that, put a single cut into the back of the tree, just above where the wedge is.